I'm Chris Coy of Barnes Coy Architects. Welcome to our project on the east end of Long Island. We call this house the wall house in our studio, but we started with the idea of a wall around which the plan of the house coalesces. The wall serves as the armature of the house. This Alabama stone element is a very strong element, obviously, and that provides the opportunity to have some other forms of the house play off it and play against it and contrast with it. And I can't wait to show it to you. The wall takes us up the stairs into the main space. We design open plans, and in a view situation like this, you do not want to compartmentalize the room. So in one space, we have the dining table, we have the living area, we have open to the kitchen and open to the family room. And as you can see, the stone wall comes from outside to inside and becomes one of the main material features in the house. In fact, we even put the fireplace right in the stone wall, and we use the stone wall as structure for this cantilevered steel server between the dining table and the food prep area of the kitchen. Coming off the stone wall out into the space toward the view of the ocean, it's 22-foot high aluminum glass curtain wall. The object is to increase the view. We put this whole thing back under an overhang because it controls the amount of light coming in and you can focus more on the distant view of the ocean horizon. In my studio, we believe that architecture starts with the site. Our materials are cedar, teak, stone, and aluminum or steel for the window system. It may seem strange that in this very rectilinear house, controlled by this very powerful, rigid stone wall, we suddenly introduce these curved shapes. In this big volumetric box, we thought a curve would help to define it and also not intrude upon the upper third of it too much. The principal suite is organized around the actual bedroom here, and radiating out from that is a private terrace toward the view, and on the other side is the owner's office, which also radiates out from this central core of the bedroom. We decided to cut out an entire circle above this terrace to allow sunlight in, but also to give another playful circular form to this very rectilinear composition. There are four main outdoor spaces which we like to think of as outdoor rooms. Come, let me take you outside. In our houses, outdoor spaces are very, very important. So in this house, for example, we have the main terrace. Above that, we have the principal terrace, and then above it all is the roof terrace, and that has an unbelievable view. And then going back down to the bottom onto the limestone pool terrace, where there's the pool, the hot tub, the barbecue, sun lounging area, comfortable seating area. This house is one of my favorite examples of my firm's work, and thank you very much for taking a look.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?